Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am also very fine, dears. Welcome back to Khalil Master YouTube channel. This is your Khalil Master Maths Expert. Today, our topic is linear equations in two variables, which is useful for 10th class students, for state and also CBSE. And in this video, we are going to learn the important topics of linear equations in two variables. Ax plus by equal to c. This is called linear equation in two variables where x and y are called variables. So here this equation can be written as ax plus by. If you transpose that c to left side, you will get minus c is equal to 0. Actually, here both the equations are same, my dear. No change in this. Right? Now come to the point. If we take any two lines in a plane, how those two lines will be intersected? That we shall learn now. There is a possibility of two lines may intersect at one point. Two lines may intersect at one point. Here this is the common point, my dear. And not only this, two lines may not intersect at any point. This is the second condition. If you draw two lines in a plane, there is a possibility of not intersecting at any point. And if you come to the third point or third condition, you can take like this. If you draw a line, again one more line. Here you can observe that two lines are coincides each other. These are touching each other at every point, a line on itself. So like this we can take three conditions, my dear. Here three cases arise. That is, two lines may intersect at one point, two lines may not intersect at any point, or two lines may intersect at every point. So which type of questions he is asking in examination, that we shall discuss now. Before going to discuss about that, I want to clarify it. Always ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It represents a straight line in the graphical part. Suppose if you take any graph in a coordinate plane, so the form of ax plus by plus c, like example 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. It represents a straight line in the graph. Just I am taking a rough diagram, my dear. It's not accurate. Now 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. This may get like this. And if I take minus 2x plus 7y equal to 9. As we discussed here, ax plus by is equal to c. This one also may represent a straight line. So what I mean to suggest here, whenever we get ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, in place of b we have minus 4 here. In place of a we have minus 2 here. In place of c we have minus 9 or 9 can be taken, depends on the situation. If two equations you consider in this form, you have to take. If not, two conditions can be taken in this form. But you cannot take one equation in this form and another equation in this form. That is wrong. That you remember, my dear. That I will explain detailed in the next video. Come to the point. First we shall see this one. If we have two linear equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let us suppose that these two are the linear equations. Now, when two lines are intersecting at one point, that we shall take here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is the formula, my dear, and we can consider it as a condition. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. In this condition, must and should the two lines will be intersected at one point only. That you remember. and we get only one solution, one common solution in this. So in examination, in objective, he may ask one question. For example, if you take 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, this is one of the equation. How many solution we get for this line? So you can say that infinite number of solution we may get for a line. For this line we may get infinite number of solutions. That you remember, my dear. Why? If you take x value as 1, you will get y value some other. If you get x value as 0, you will get y value as some other. In the same way, continuously if you change the value of x, the y value also will be changed. Like that, you will get infinitely many. In the same way, here in the graph you can see, we have taken arrow mark. It means it goes on continuously. As we have studied that the definition of line is nothing but it is not ending point. So it continues. That's why we cannot justify here. That's why we can say that infinitely many solutions can be found for the linear equation. Hope you understand. So this is one of the important point, remember. So when two lines have the condition like a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, in that case only one common solution will be there. That is this one. So here you remember. So how to remember this condition? That I will give you one hint. Remember, this is not equal. Not equal means not equal. You can remember like this, my dear. These two are not equal. Not equal means wrong. That's why it represents like this. So in this form you can remember that these are consistent lines. What we call these are consistent. Now come to the parallel line. In this case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 if we give the equations like this. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is one of the formula, my dear. So here how to remember? The condition is equal. Equal is nothing but parallel. Hope you understand. Not equal means not equal, wrong. Equal is nothing but lines are parallel. But here there is one difference is there, my dear. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Observe that, my dear. Here two conditions. In this the difference is only for c1 by c2. Here these two are difference and both are same here. So what I mean to suggest here, if lines are parallel, it will be equated. If lines are coincident, coincident is nothing but all are equal. All are equal, that's why a line is on itself. In these two conditions, you can observe one common difference, my dear. What is that? Here not equal, here equal. So whenever you will get a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, the lines will be parallel. Equal, as I told you, equal, equal. So you may have the doubt, here also equal is there, so why can't it parallel? But observe that here also these are equal, my dear. Hence the both are equal here. When both are equal, a line is on another line. Then these are called as coincident lines. What we call, my dear? Coincident lines. And these are called as parallel lines. And also these are called as independent lines, my dear. What we call independent lines. And here we don't have any common solution. As you observe that if two lines are intersecting at one point, one common solution. Two lines are not intersect at any point, there is no common solution. And if two lines are intersecting on itself, a line is intersecting on another line. In this case, we get infinitely many solutions here. Observe that here. Infinitely many points can be found here. That's why this is called as coincident lines. Infinitely many solutions, there is no solution, there will be only one solution. Like this you have to remember, my dear, and these are the conditions. Hope you understand. And how to recognize these lines, that we shall discuss in the next video. So remember this, note it down and concentrate on this. I assure you that depends on this, at least one question will be there in public examination, and these are very important from linear equations in two variables. Hope you got a good knowledge from this, and if you want some more knowledge from this chapter or other chapters, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is your Khalil Master signing off. Thank you. We shall meet in the next video.